We are writing a short program on Python to calculate the area and perimeter of a right angle triangle. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we import the math module because I'm using mathematical function. Then secondly, we use input functions returning a string to getting the first side and the second side. So after that, I have to convert the string to real number, which I will do now using floats. So already I've converted it to real number. What's next is that to find the hypotenuse by the Pythagoras theorem. The sum of the square of the two sides is the square functions of the main module. So I'm using this double asterisk operator to raise number. So now is to find the area and the perimeter. So let me run to get the outputs. So that's a simple program to find the area of a rectangle and the circumference and the perimeter. Thanks.